Hey YouTube, what is up you guys? We're just gonna jump straight into the video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a frontal ponytail at home. So this is like the most unprofessional method with the most professional results. So let's get into it. So first, I've already slicked down my girl's hair, slicked it all the way back into a ponytail. And I'm doing the ball cap method on her, so I'm just taking a light brown stocking cap and using some got-to-be spray just to hold down the cap. So guys, when I say it's unprofessional, I mean like I am not a licensed hairdresser. I am not a professional hairdresser by any means. I just try to emulate tactics and bring visions to life to the best of my abilities. So I just want to show you guys, like, don't think, oh, because you're not the most savvy person with doing hair, that you're not able to still achieve some bomb looks and some bomb trendy looks at home. So here I have the frontal. I'm just pretty much seeing like where the lace is, how the ball cap is looking underneath, and I see that I want to tint the lace with a foundation that matches her complexion. So I'm putting that on to the brown stocking cap, and I'm also going to put it onto the lace so that this way when we glue everything down, we have a flush and seamless look. And so now I'm just going in with some rubbing alcohol. This is like 99%. And I'm just using that to clean off the excess foundation. And so I'm just going in also with the Ghost Bond lace glue. And I'm just putting one layer. And then I'm going to put a second layer. And that's it. So you guys have kind of seen me do this method already. I did it on myself with the updo that I did using the frontal method, and I'll link that video in the cards up above in the right hand corner, so you can click that if you're interested in seeing how I did that, because a lot of these instructions are repetitive. I kind of just want to talk to you guys like about the hair. So as you can see, this video is in partnership with Mscoco hair. They sent me 3 bundles and a frontal of their loose deep curl. They sent me a 26, 24, 22 and a 20-inch frontal. Now this is my first time using loose deep hair. I'm usually a straight hair person. The most I usually do is like, if I'm gonna do a curl, is like a water wave. I don't even really care too much for body wave like that, but I've never used loose deep, so I was like, okay, like I want to see what loose deep hair is like. And this hair is bomb. Like, this hair had so much body to it, and it's not like thick body like the water wave, but it's also not loose body like obviously the loose body wave. It has like a nice thickness to it, where it's like when you flat iron it, it goes straight, but you feel like your hair is nice and full. And I like that when curls are versatile. So it's like, okay, if you flat iron it, you know you're still gonna get a sleek look, but when you have it curled, it's not gonna look any different. You're always gonna get that full look that you're trying to achieve. So I really, really liked this loose deep hair for the tutorial and for this style in general. So I'm going to make sure that I leave a link to their website in the description box down below. And I know they have like a bunch of little coupon codes for you guys. So definitely go and check out Mscoco hair. So as you can see, I glued down the frontal. Now I'm just using an eyebrow razor to etch out the lace in like a zigzag motion. At the side, we're just cutting out the ear section. You want to be careful when you're cutting. And like the little sideburn section. And now we're going to just glue that down and carry on. So now we're creating our swoop for our like front part area. And as you can see, like that is a scalp, baby. And this is what I mean, like when I say like you flat iron it and it just goes straight. Like I'm one passing, so I'm not even like going through it like small sections bit by bit. I'm just quickly one passing it so that this way I can mold it down for the ponytail. And you're already seeing like it went from that loose deep, like that full loose deep, to straight, just like that. Now I'm just using mousse, and that's what I'm going to use to mold this frontal down for the ponytail. Oh, sorry, just really had like a little foggy brain moment. And of course, guys, I'm going to put all the products that I use in the description box down below for you guys. After molding it down, I'm just going to use some black strips just to set the front while I go ahead and start the ponytail in the back. So to do the invisible ponytail, I just use the braiding hair and some of the frontal hair that's in the ponytail to extend her braid. And because this was just a quick ponytail, I used bobby pins and prong pins to hold the bundles in place as I wrapped up on the braid. So the rest of the ponytail, it's all self-explanatory. You're just gonna wrap and pin until you get to the top. And that's pretty much it for the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the technique. Hopefully it's easy for you guys to emulate and follow at home. And again, like I said, I am not a professional hairdresser. I just emulate techniques. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will be back with another video.